Hello, boys. I, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Srivastava, welcoming to all of you in my surveying class. Today's topic is the contouring. Dear boy, in any object, when we are looking, so we feel if that is height and if it is effect, if it is a lower, if it is a depression on the earth. So something you will see, there you feel a circle of everywhere closed circle or closed line are available. That is called level line. How? Suppose, my dear boy, if there is a well, so suppose here is a water well. So if you will see like this, a line will be available. So this line, if here is a pond, you will see a level line is available here also, the water line. So anywhere the surface line, the surface level is when they make a level or line, that is called contour. Then let us start. A contour line is a imaginary line which connect point of equal elevation, and such lines are drawn on the plan of an area after establishing reduced level of several points in the area. The contour line in the area are drawn keeping different in the elevation of between two conjective lines. So constant for the example, figure 17.1 shows contour in an area with contour interval 1 meter like this. On the contour line, the level of line is also written. This is the contour line. Suppose this is a river. So the level line is running around us. How? This is the line. The lower level line. This type of line And it is a fact the contour line doesn't cut, or never cut to same level line. So contour line, characteristic of contour. So the contour have the following characteristic, and contour line must close not necessarily in the limit of the plan. So widely spaced contour indicating flat surface, closely spaced contour indicate steep ground, and equally spaced contour indicate uniform slope. Irregular contour indicate uneven surface, approximately connection contour with the tracing values to the word of the center indicate a point approximately concentric close contour with increasing value towards center indicate hills. Now contour line with U shape with connectivity towards lower crown indicate ridge. To contour line with V shape with the connectivity towards higher ground indicate valley, and contour line generally do not meet or interest each other. So if contour line are meeting in the some portion, it shows extents of the vertical cliff. Now contouring and surveying at the determination of elevation of various points on the land and fixing these points of same horizontal position in the contour map. In the land property world, a contour is on outline of a mass of land. So main objective of conducting contour survey is identify any noticeable difference in elevation of existing land. So in land surveying, a contour map is a map illustrated with contour line, and in land surveying, in the land surveying, a contour map is map illustrated with contour lines. So for example, a topographic map which does show valley and hills and the slipness of the gentleness of slope. A contour line may be defined as a imaginary line passing through the point of equal devotion, and a contour line may also be defined at the intersection of level surface with the surface of the earth. When the contour are drawn underwater, and they are termed as the submarine contour, 40 ohms or mathematic curve, and this is the best method of representation of feature such as hills. So depressions underwater is two-dimensional paper. The vertical distance between conjective contours is termed as contour interval, and it is desirable to have a constant contour interval throughout the map. So contour interval is inversely proportional to the scale of the map. So for projects such as highway and railway, it's equal to 2.0 meter for earthwork, building site, dam, city survey, and 0.5 meter. Geological survey, 6 to 15 meter. So dear boy, see this picture. And in this picture, you can image a contour line of the hill. See this. One, this is the line. And second, and this is third, and this is fourth, and this is five, and this is six. So this is the line which have come entirely around the hill. You can say in next word, this is the level, yes. This is the level line also. But this is called contour. Clear now? It is the picture of the contour. Clear? Up now this question you think that how they can cut to another line. They cannot cut because this line will be moved from here and it go from the here and it come from here to that and again this line and this line and this line and this line. So it will be back up. It will be joined to same level. Now contour definition, objective, contour interval, horizontal equivalent, use and characteristic of contour line, and method of plotting contour, direct and indirect method of contouring, contour gradient, leveling and contouring. In this diagram, my dear boy, it is the very best picture for showing you, like you think, the 40 contour, this 40. This 40, this is the 40. This has come 40. And this is the 40. Now this is the 30. So here the 30. So you can better understand. First, at a glance, this line has looked like a mountain. This is the very best model and picture for the understanding of the definition of contour. A contour line may be defined an imaginary line passing through point of equal reduced level. A contour line may also be defined as the intersection of level surface with the surface of the earth, and thus contour line on a plan illustrates to topography of the area. For X, a contour of 90 meter indicates that all the points on the line have RL of 90 meter. Similarly, in a contour of 89 meter, all the point of RL of 89 meter, and so on. In this diagram, in this figure, you can also understand this is the height lower. So this is the 100, and this image are looking here, and this image are looking here. This image are looking like this, and this image are like this. It is the same image, and this image like this, and this image are looking like this. So my dear boy, it is the same diagram and same image. This is the 3D and this is the 2D. Okay. So this is the 2D and this is the 3D. Okay. So up this line image, you can better understand. This line is this, and this line is this. Okay. Now evaluation line. So the vertical distance between the conjunctive contours are known contour interval. For X, a map indicates contour line of 90 meter, 89 meter, 88 meter, and so on. The contour interval is 1 meter. So interval depend upon the following factor: the nature of ground, that is the weather, flat or steep, and the scale of map and the purpose of the survey. This is the contour interval. See, this is the interval and this is the contour interval, and look like as you feel in the depression and in the higher elevation, all the line had looked in the 2D and 3D. So contour interval for flat ground are generally small, that is 0.25 meter and 0.5 meter and 0.75 meter. So the contour interval for a steep slope in hilly area is generally greater that is the 5 meter, 10 meter and 15 meter, etc. Again, for a small scale map, the interval may be 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, etc. So contour interval is kept large up to 2 meter for project such as the highway and railway, whereas it is kept as small as 0.5 meter for measurement of earthwork, building, site, dam, etc. So it is desirable to have consist contour interval for a particular map. Now, the horizontal distance between any two conjective contours is known as the horizontal and equivalent, and it is not constant. It varies from a point to point depending upon the steepness of the ground steeper and the ground ledger is the horizontal equivalent. Now the contour map. So contour map provide valuable information about the topography of the area and whether it is a fact undertaking of mountainous and the nature of the ground surface of an area can be understood by studying a contour map. The following are a specific use of the contour map. So to select a site for engineering project, to select site for the engineering project, such as road, canal, railway, and to find possible route of the communication between different places. The capacity of reservoir and the area of the submergence can be computed, and the extent in the visibility of the station is equestrian the profile of the ground surface along any direction. A suitable route for given gradient can be marked on the map. Now, use of contour map. The estimate the quantity of cutting and filling. So know the drainage characteristic of the area. It helps to select site for culvert, bridge, drainage system, and use of contour map. So since every point on a contour line has the some elevation of a contour map with a constant interval portrayed the conformation of the ground in a characteristic manner, and the knowledge of contour characteristic helps in the identifying the natural features of the area from the given map and in avoiding mistake in plotting the contour correctly. So characteristic of contour. What is the characteristic of contour? So we will discuss about that. The following characteristic keep in the plotting of reading a constant map. At the point on a contour line have the same elevation, and the elevation of the contour are indicated either by intersecting the figure in a breadth in the respective contour of the printed close to the contour. Two contour lines do not intersect with each other. So contour line always from closed circuit, but these lines may be within the outside the limit of the map. Contour do not have sharp turning. Characteristic of the contour. See, this is the contour and see, this is the characteristic of contour. So the contour line are closure near the top of hill or high ground and wide apart near the foot. They indicate a very steep slope toward the peak, a flatter slope toward the foot, and the contour line are closure near the bank of the pound of the depression and wide toward the center. So this indicates a steep slope near the bank and a flatter slope at the center. Uniformly stopped contour line indicate uniform slope. This is the characteristic of contour. See this. No line can be cut to other. The same line will be joined. This is the rules of contour. This is the characteristic of contour. Characteristic of contour. A series of closed contour always indicate a depression of the summit. The lower value of being inside the loop indicate a depression of higher value. Being inside the loop indicate a summit. Contour deflect uphill at a valley line and downfill on the right line. So contour line in U shape cross right and V shape cross a valley of right angle. So the connectivity is the contour line towards higher ground in the case of ridge and towards lower ground in the case of valley. Contour line meeting at a point and indicate a vertical cliff. Contour line cannot cross another except in a case of overlapping hill, in which case like this. Suppose, my dear boy, first you see that if any minar this at this point the level is this, at this point level is this, at this point level is this, and this, and in the bottom level is this. So if it is not written the level, so it is very hard to, it is higher or depression level. Now suppose you just this it is a pond, you turn the opposite side. So this level, this is the, this level is this is this, this is this is, and this is this level. So in this case, without level, it is very tough to read area of depression or area of elevation. But one thing, if any project, if any object are like this, suppose a hill is like this. So if you will take this elevation, so here you feel contour line cutting, but it's not cutting. It will be straight. Okay. So a series of closed contours always indicate a depression or summit, and the lower values being inside the top indicate the depression, and the higher value being inside and the top indicated the summit. Hello. Contour deflect or fill at the valley line of the downfill at the type of rise line, and contour line in the U-shaped cross at the rise, and V-shaped cross a valley at the right angle, and the connectively the contour line are toward higher ground in the case of bridge, and towards lower ground in the case of valley. Now contour line meeting at a point indicate a vertical cliff, and contour line cannot be crossed one another except the case of overhanging cliff. But the overhanging portion must be shown in a dotted line. It is shown as a dotted line like this. Convert in the dotted line. In this photograph, you can better understand the feature of land and the feature of river and the position of contour. This is the depression area. Perhaps this is a 3D picture, but in the contouring, you can make 2D or 3D both. This is contour form, this is the line, and this is the summit. This is the summit. Now, typical land feature and their contour form. This is the typical land feature and this contour form. See this. This feature is showing like this contour. This picture is showing like this contour. And this picture is like this. And this picture is like this. Now contour form. How that will be form. Now, method of the contouring. Contouring requires the planimetric position of the point whose elevation have been determined by leveling. So the method of the contouring is horizontal as well as the vertical and position of several points in the area. Now method of contouring. So boldly the method can be divided into the following two classes. One, direct method, and second, indirect method. So method of contouring, direct method. In the direct method of the contouring, the reduced levels of various selected points on a contour time line and obtained under their positive are located. The contours are then drawn by the joining, and this offers. And the point, it is the very accurate method, but it is the slow and tedious. This method is employed only for a small area where superior accuracy is demanded. So the method of locating continuous directly and consists of horizontal and vertical control. The horizontal control for a small area can be exercised by chain or tape, a large area by compass, light or plane table. For vertical control, either a level and staff or hand level may be used. So method of contouring. See, this is the contour, looking that by level and staff. The method consists of locating a series of points on the ground having the same elevation by using a level and leveling staff. So instrument is set up in such a way the number of reading can be taken from the area to be surveyed. The instrument is set up an aerial of height of instrument is determined from the nearest benchmark, and for a particular contour value, the staff is reading is worked out a series of points saving the same staff reading is worked out, and thus the same elevation are plotted and joined by the smooth curve. So method of contouring. This is the good picture for this is the surveying process and taking level process. By hand level. The principle used is the same as that used in the method using A level and stop instead of the hand level, and a bay level may be also be used. So, however, this method is very rapid and it performs for certain work. Method of contouring. This is the machine hand level. Indirect method. So, indirect method are less expensive, less time consuming, and less tedious are compared with the directly method, and these methods are commonly employed in the small scale survey of large area, and there are three different ways of employing and the indicate method of contouring. So grid method, cross-sectional method, and radial line method of the technometric method. Now the grid method, it is area is not large, so it is divided into a grid or series of square, and the grid size may be vary from 5 meter by 5 meter, 25 meter by 25 meter, and depending upon the nature of the ground. Suppose if ground is like this, so you will take the short distance, maybe 1 by 1 or 2 by 2. But if area is like this, so you can take big distance. Now the grid size may vary from the 5 meter by 5 and 25 meter by 25 meter, depending upon the nature of ground and the contour, interval, and the scale of the map. So the grid corner are marked on the ground, and the spot level of those corner are then determined by normal method of leveling using a level. The grid is plotted to a scale of the map, and the spot level of the grid corner are entered the continuous of desired values, and then blocked by the interruption. And this method is very useful for the small open area, and contour are required a closed vertical interval. This is the method of contouring. These all are spot level. These all are spot level. And according to the level, contour has made. This is the method of contouring. This is the block leveling, just I was telling. And during this level, this had made. So cross-sectioning method. In this method, suitable space cross-section are projected on either side of the center line of the area. So several points are chosen at reasonable distance on the either side. So the observation of made in the usual manner with a level. So the cross section line are plotted to the scale and the point on this line are marked to reduce level are iterated. The contours of the desired value are then located of the interpolation. So this method is suitable for road, railway and canal survey. Now a radar line. So method of technometric method. In this method, a number of radial line are set out the known angular interval, that is 50 degree, 30 degree on each station, and the point are selected on line depend on the nature of the ground surface and state of the level. A technometry may be used. The observations are taken on the staff station and elevation and distance are then calculated. So you traverse a radial line of plotted to the scale RLs of the point in turn and the contour of desired value are located for interpolation, and this method is this convention in the hilly area. This is the comparison of the direct indirect method of the contouring, and this is the radial line method, and this is the interpolation of contour. So dear boys, about the contour you have read this lesson, and I want to ask about this chapter MCQ, and I want to know that how much you have grasped this my class. Question number 1. Which of the following is caused by careless handling? Give me reply. There is 4 answer looking on your screen. Which answer is correct? Correct answer is B, gross error. And next question is a negative deflection shows the magnetic meridian is the which are correct. And again correct answer is B. So western side of 2 meridian. And next question, a system will be error free if we remove all systematic error. The correct answer is B. It is statement is false. And next question, a series of closely spaced contour has represent a. So which are correct answer? Correct answer is A, is slip slope. And next question, my dear boy, a telescope is said to be inverted if its So which question is correct? What is answer? Which is correct answer? Correct answer is A. Vertical circle of its right and bubble of the telescope is down. That is A. And next question, an angle of 45 with the chain line may be set out with. The correct answer is C, French cross staff. And the next question, a level line is a horizontal line or vertical line? Correct answer is B, line parallel to the mean spherical surface of Earth. And a gate, next question, a gate cap fitted with a. Correct answer is D, arithmetic compass. And last question, along 0, 0, the correction to be applied is 30-meter chain. So which answer are correct? Correct answer is A, which is 30 seconds. This is the reference book, and this is also a reference book. This is also reference books. And thank you for taking interest in the my survey class. And you are welcome in my next survey class. Again, thank you.